Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and calculus. The topic that is about the domain. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to know that we have the square root of b. That means the value of b should be greater than or equals to number 0. We know that 7 minus the square root of b under another square root. So this one should be greater than or equals to number 0. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And this one we have 49 is greater than or equals to b. So if we combine together, we have like this. About the interval notation, that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.